This is just after breakfast, Super Bowl Sunday. He had a very quiet rest of the day yesterday after that coughing spell at about 4 o'clock. Slept all night, slept with me, no problems. Got up at 7:30, ate a really good breakfast, and now we just begun again, that cough.